used to think learning Spanish meant boring classes and memorizing endless lists of words I'd never use. I thought that was the only way. Well, I was completely wrong. That's probably the slowest, most painful way to learn a language. The truth is, there's a much faster way for beginners to not just learn Spanish, but to actually start using it. And it's so much simpler than you think. I struggled for years. It felt like I was collecting a giant pile of Lego bricks, but had no idea how to snap them together. Then, I discovered something that changed everything. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact method that took me from a frustrated beginner to someone who could finally start forming sentences with confidence. This isn't a magic trick. It's about learning smarter, not harder. So, what was this big secret? It's recognizing patterns. Because of their shared Latin roots, English and Spanish have a ton of DNA in common. This means you, as an English speaker, already have a vocabulary of thousands of Spanish words hiding in plain sight. These hidden words are called cognates. The real trick is learning the patterns that turn English words into Spanish words. Once you learn a single pattern, you don't just learn one word, you unlock the ability to instantly recognize hundreds. It's how you build a foundational vocabulary lightning fast. Let's walk through 3 of the most powerful patterns right now. Pattern number 1, the TION to CION rule. This one is huge. Thousands of English words ending in TION can be almost instantly converted to Spanish. You just change the T to a C and add an accent. For example, information becomes información. Celebration becomes celebración, and action becomes acción. Just with that one pattern, you've added a massive number of useful nouns to your vocabulary. Pattern number 2, the LY to mente rule. Next up, adverbs. In Spanish, a huge number of words ending in ly are formed by adding mente to be adjective. For example, normally becomes normalmente. Completely becomes completamente, and exactly is exactamente. It's a game changer because it lets you add detail to your sentences right away. Pattern number 3, the IC to ICO rule. Our third pattern is for adjectives. Many English adjectives that end in IC translate to Spanish by ending in ico. For instance, fantastic becomes fantástico, public becomes público, and romantic becomes romántico. It's another simple switch that unlocks a whole category of descriptive words. This is just the beginning. There are dozens of other patterns just like these. If you found this helpful, please subscribe our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching.